Hello and welcome back, team. My name is AJ, one of the mentors here at Bit Trading, and today we are going to take a look at the price of Bitcoin. We're going to take a look at the long that we are currently in and what the price targets are for that long position, and we're also going to take a look at future price levels that I'm interested in trading to help you guys profit off of these price movements. So if that sounds interesting, smash that thumbs up button, subscribe if you're new, and turn the bell notification on so you never ever miss another upload, and make sure that you watch this video up until the end, because at some point in the video there will be a code somewhere on the screen which will give you 1 month free access to the Visionary membership, which gives you access to the Visionary Discord, okay, where I give all of my trades away. Okay, of course, links will be in the description for that. Click join Bit Trading here at bittrading.uk and you can gain access to that Visionary Discord. And remember, look out for that code and you can gain access to the trades that I give on that Discord. Okay, the current long position that we are in, okay, that we entered in at 26,995 is currently in over 215% in a profit. Okay, so these are the trades that I'm giving. Okay, and I actually called this trade before price actually tapped my level. Okay, so we're going to take a look at a quick clip, okay, that I did give my team in the daily market updates that I do for my Visionary members every single day. Okay, this is the one I did on Friday, so let's take a quick look at this setup that I gave. Okay, so this is the setup that I'm currently looking at. Okay, possibly a pullback down to the low of the local range, possible long from there if we see the bullish confirmation, bullish confluence, then taking that up to the internal high here at 27,480, where we could be looking. So as you can see, okay, before the price actually tapped this level, okay, this was a level of interest for me, and I was telling them that I was possibly going to enter into a long position at this level, okay, if we saw the bullish confirmation and the bullish confluence. Okay, and what actually happens? Okay, well, on the Visionary Discord, okay, I told my team that it's a scalp long on the fake out to the downside. Okay, as you can see here, I gave the setup, okay, and then later on, okay, TP1 on the long at 36%. Okay, we then moved the stop loss to entry, and I did in fact say that I'm now possibly looking for a short. Okay, but I didn't actually enter into a short there because, okay, I went on to say range high has been slightly front run at this time. Okay, so it was not a short entry for me. Okay, and actually in the video yesterday, okay, I was saying, I'm looking for higher prices here. I'm not seeing the bearish confirmations and the bearish confluences at this level, so I'm looking for higher prices. I was saying that in yesterday's video. Okay, and then early this morning, okay, at 3:35, okay, I did get some notifications going off on my phone, which did wake me up. Okay, and then I came onto the Discord and I said TP2 on the long. As you can see here, 158% for that TP2. Okay, as of right now, that trade is currently in over 215% in a profit. Okay, so we're coming to another TP point. Okay, and I will get onto that, of course, but as you can see, I gave that setup in the daily market update. Okay, and then we took action by taking that trade. Okay, so yeah, that's what has happened within the price of Bitcoin, and we've been capitalizing on this price movement towards the upside by entering into that long position. But what is price where is price going to go from here? Okay, now coming up to this range high, I've been telling my team and I've been telling you guys here as well that I'm interested in shorting this range high, okay, at approximately 28,1338. Okay, this is an interested level for me. Okay, this is a key level for me, and I'm looking to possibly short this level. However, I have not shorted this level as of yet. Okay, and there is a reason for that, and I will go through that in a second. Okay, but I will go through the indications that a lot of people are going to be looking at to actually short this level here. Okay, and these are indications that I'm looking at as well, but I just didn't see everything aligning. Okay, so the first indication that is pretty obvious is that we're above a value area high. Now remember, okay, above value area high is not a sign to short, it's a sign to look for a short position. Okay, like below value area low, it's not a sign to long, it's a sign to look for a long position. Okay, so above here, being above value area high is that first indication, we should be looking for a short position. Okay, and yeah, the second bearish indication that I saw was actually range high had been swept. Okay, so we got an SFP, a lovely SFP of range high. Okay, this is another bearish indication. Now a lot of people are going to be looking at this, okay, and actually just shorting this. Okay, so what they're going to be doing is they're going to be entering into that short, putting their short above the high here, and as you can observe, that short would have been stopped out. Okay, we didn't actually enter into that short. Okay, Why didn't we enter into these shorts? Well, if we come and have a look at the open interest in the CVD, this gives us more of an understanding of what is currently going on. Okay, and as we can observe, late last night and early this morning, okay, whilst the price was rising, okay, we were seeing nice higher highs, very clear higher highs. Okay, and then on the open interest, we're actually seeing very, very clear lower lows, okay, and that is initially bearish. But okay, when you come to the CVD and see that the CVD is actually rising, this is actually bullish, okay, and it wipes out that bearishness on the open interest. Why is that? Well, because the open interest, okay, these big bearish candles here on the open interest are not new shorts opening, okay. The CVD is telling us, okay, that longs are opening. Okay, so these aren't shorts opening, these are long positions actually taking profit. This is something that we call a short squeeze. Okay, so from here, I'm looking at this and I'm thinking, it's looking like we're going to get a short squeeze, so we're not going to enter the shorts. We can be expecting higher prices. So that's why I did not short this. Okay, it doesn't mean that I'm not going to short this high, okay? There's still that opportunity that we could short this high. But of course, I gave, the setup to my Visionary members on the Visionary daily market update this morning, okay? And I was saying, we could possibly short this, okay? If we get some sort of failed auction up here, okay, as in we get accepted back into the range with bearish confirmation, okay, then yes, we could be looking to actually enter into a short, possibly targeting, okay, range high here, POC, okay, value area low, value area high, I meant here, okay, POC, value area low, and possibly even the range low down here, okay, that's what we could be targeting if we get a confirmed failed auction here, accepted back into the range, okay. So that's one scenario that I am looking for, okay, something like this, okay. But another scenario that I'm also looking at, okay, is possibly, retesting this previous resistance as support, okay, then getting a nice bounce towards the upside, okay, where we get some sort of sweep of liquidity up here, get the bearish indications, okay, then and only then, can we enter that short, okay, and then obviously targeting lower prices. So this is another scenario that I'm possibly looking at as well. So those are the two bearish scenarios that I am looking at, okay. But if we don't get those bearish scenarios, then what are we targeting? Well, we're targeting higher prices, okay? So as of right now, there's nothing bearish about this move towards the upside. So I am still targeting higher prices until we see those bearish indications. Like I said, okay, possibly a failed auction back into the range, okay, with bearish confirmation, then we're looking for lower prices, or okay, we retest the resistance as support, okay, come and retest the high that we've made, get some sort of sweep of liquidity, then we can fire in that short position and look for lower prices, okay. So those are the bearish scenarios, the only bearish scenarios I'm looking for. But if we don't see any of them, then I'm looking for higher prices, and the higher targets I do have towards the upside are actually 29,000. So 29,000 is that next higher target I have. Why is that? Well, that is the value area low of the previous range right here, okay. So that is my plan. I'm looking for a short here. If we don't get the short indications, then we're looking for 29,000, and we can reevaluate the situation at 29,000. Okay, so that's my plan for Bitcoin. Still holding that long position open, seeing if we can continue to yield some profits off of that long. Okay, just a little bit more profits off of the long, take some more TPs higher. But yeah, that's my plan. So yeah, make sure that if you want access to that Visionary Discord where I'm giving all of my trades away, make sure you look out for that code that was somewhere in this video. You get 1 month free access to that Visionary Discord by heading over to bittrading.uk, click join BitTrading here, and you can gain access to that. So yeah, that's pretty much all I've got for you today. Okay, remember, still holding that long position open, very, very profitable long. And yeah, thank you very much for watching, guys. I will see you in the next upload. I hope you have a lovely day. See you later. Goodbye.